Hello student, we will be solving this question, and this question says that consider a helium atom that absorb a photon of 330 nanometer. The change in velocity in centimeter per second of helium atom after the photon absorption is. So in this question we have to find out the change in velocity, and this question says that momentum is conserved when photon is absorbed, and the values of Planck constant, Avogadro number, and molar mass of helium is given. So we have to calculate here the change in velocity. So first we will write what is change in velocity. So change in velocity we have to calculate. Assume it that it will be delta v. Okay. Now our question says that our momentum is conserved. So by meaning it like momentum is conserved, so we know that momentum is given as m delta v, which is conserved. So we know that according to de Broglie, momentum is given as, that is our p equal to h by lambda, and we have given h is equal to Planck constant 6.6 multiplied 10 to the power minus 34, and our lambda is 330 nanometer, and in meter it will be 330 multiply 10 to the power minus 9, and this value will be come out in kilogram meter per second. Okay, now for 1 mole of photon, change in momentum is equal to multiply this quantity with the Avogadro number, that is 6 multiplied 10 to the power 23 into 6.6 multiplied 10 to the power minus 34 upon 330 into 10 to the power minus 9. Okay, now as we earlier said that change in momentum is m delta v. Now this whole quantity will be equal to this change in momentum, so we can write as m delta v is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 23 into 6.6 multiplied 10 to the power minus 34 upon 330 into 10 to the power minus 9. Okay, now we have given molar mass of helium, that is 4 gram per mole, and in kilogram mass of helium will be 4 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram per mole. Now putting this value here, so we will calculate delta v is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 23 upon mass of helium in kilogram into 6.6 multiplied 10 to the power minus 34 upon 330 into 10 to the power minus 9. That will come out to be 0.3 meter per second. So our change in velocity comes out 0.3 meter per second. Now we have to calculate in centimeter per second. So in centimeter per second, delta v is equal to 0.3 into 100. That will come out to be 30 centimeter per second. Okay, so we can say change in velocity, that is our delta v, is equal to 30 centimeter per second. So answer will be our 30. It is an integer type question, so our integer value is 30. Hope you will understand this question. Thank you. Have a nice day.